Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you're fine. Now I have a challenge for you by giving you a question. If you had a chance to have a tea or coffee with someone, who would that be? And what would you ask him or her? If I had a chance to have a tea or coffee with someone, I would like to be with Queen Elizabeth. And I would like to ask her, Your Majesty, what's your plan for the weekend? That was the example that I gave you. Now it's your turn to make your own answer by making video less than 15 seconds. Don't forget to tag my name and I will share it on my story. I can't wait for that.
Everyone, so there's the challenge from Mr. Seto. It's a speak up challenge and he asked if I had a chance to have tea with someone, who would I choose? Choose Doraemon, and I will make him a tasty dorayaki so that he will stay with me forever. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hanifa and I got a challenge from Mr. Seto. I just want to say something to you guys. If you want to be confident, stop comparing yourself with other people. Be relaxed, be positive, don't think too much, and look for good in every situation. Life is short and every moment is precious, so don't waste your time, do what you love, wish you best of luck and have a good day.
If I would be given a chance to have a cup of coffee with someone, I would like to have it with Mr. June Bay, and I would ask him, would you hire me as an engineer at your team?
Hi teacher Seto, I accept your speak up challenge and I will ask my mom to have a tea time and ask her to have a dinner with me and I'll treat her. Bye!
Hi everybody, this is Kenan and I recently got a challenge by Uncle Seto and it's apparently a speak up challenge and he got a question for me. If you had a chance to have a tea with someone, who would that be? I would say Habib Nurmagomedov. And the second question is, and what would you ask? I would ask, how do you train with bears? Yeah, that's my challenge. Thank you so much. And yeah.
Speak up challenge by teacher Seto. I want to have a coffee time with Peter Parker. I want to ask him, Mr. Parker, do you have any protection so that Aunt May will not worry when you need to be hospitalized or when you are fired from your office?
Hi everyone, I got the challenge from Mr. Seto and I choose the coffee. I invite my best friend Desi and Ninot and I want to ask with them, could you all guys can move and stay near from my house so we no need to do chatting and video call in the morning when we want to talk and telling the story. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I accepted your speak up challenge, teacher Seto. Actually, I don't like tea or coffee, but I am waiting for this day when you will invite me at your home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I have a challenge from teacher Seto. If I had a chance to have a coffee with someone, I will choose with Chris Hemsworth. Why? Because he is really handsome and I will ask him question, can you adopt me as your daughter?
Hey Mr. Seto, I wanted to accept your speak up challenge. Who would I go for coffee with and what would I say to them? Well, even though there's so many people that I haven't even met in person yet that I would really love to go for coffee with, if I had to give my most sincere answer, I would probably have to say my grandparents or even my great-grandparents if they were still alive, because they died when I was pretty young and I still don't know too much about them. So if I could and it was possible, I would love to have coffee with my grandma or my grandpa and just ask them about their life and really what made them happy and what kind of purpose they found in life. And maybe that could help me find my own. So that's my answer. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I've got challenge for Mr. Seto. If you had a chance, have a tea with someone, who would that be? And what would you ask him? If I had a chance, have a tea with someone, I would just check him. Why? Because Cepat is my motivator. And I wanna ask him about how to become such a person so very easy. Thank you.
So, speak up challenge from teacher Seto accepted. So if I had to go for a coffee or tea with anybody, that will be my best friend because I haven't seen her in decade, and I'll ask her, which will be my chef for an entire month. Yeah, that would be nice.
Hi, I accepted the speak up challenge from Mr. Seto. The question is I have chance to have a coffee or tea with someone, would that be? Well, I would with my boyfriend, and I will ask him, are you proud to have girlfriend like me? But the reality, I'm single.
Hey everyone, there is challenge from Mr. Seto. He asked me if I have chance have a tea with someone, who would I choose? I would choose Valentino Rossi, and I will ask him, when can you rest with me? Because it's been a long time since I rest. Thank you.
Hi, I got a challenge from Mr. Seto. This challenge is about question and answer. This question is, if you have a chance, who would you like to go with? If I have a chance to go with someone, I would like to go with my friend from Turkey. And what question that I would like to give her? I would like to give her a question, how do you learn English as a Turkish?
If I ever have the chance to drink some coffee or tea with someone, I'm gonna be with President Berisha. And I want to ask him, like a politician, how was so many years career in front of him? And how much difficult it's being a politician?
Okay, all you need to do is just speak it up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just share your idea. That's how it works if you really want to have fluency in English. Speak up, please.